Introducing the URUQ Smart Aquarium Kit, a beautifully designed aquarium that combines advanced technology with the natural beauty of aquatic life. With its efficient water circulation system, the URUQ Smart Aquarium provides powerful suction and filtration, ensuring a clean and healthy environment for your fish. Its compact design is not just space-saving. The integrated aroma diffuser fills your space with calming fragrances, while the innovative drainage design eliminates heavy lifting when changing water. The upgraded 6-stage filtration system not only maintains a healthier aquarium ecosystem but also reduces the frequency of required water changes, saving you time and effort. The enchanting LED lighting system allows you to customize the ambience with a wide spectrum of colors, enhancing your viewing experience and bringing your aquatic life to life like never before. The flip-open, detachable top cover makes feeding and cleaning a breeze, while the high-definition LED display allows you to monitor the time and temperature without hassle. Join 47 satisfied customers who have rated this aquarium kit an impressive 4.5 stars. With thoughtful designs and 2 years of technical support, it's the perfect gift for family, friends, and kids alike. If you're impressed with the URUQ Smart Aquarium Kit, check out the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing reviews and like this video.